Hey there, my name is Igor and I'm excited to share my personal travel experience with you, including how much it all costs. I'm a traveler. I have visited more than 30 countries, sometimes in wild adventure with my friends or solo trips, be it a luxury vacation or traveling by budget. So, 3 of my friends and I decided to head to Costa Rica. Our plan was to take a road trip across the country. But organizing this trip wasn't easy, with everyone's schedules being so different. We decided to travel in a smaller group and meet up in this country. I flew from New York and we found a great option with a stopover in Miami. We landed at the Liberia Guanacaste airport. And from there, we rented a Toyota Prado SUV to start our journey. One unique feature in Costa Rica is the one-way bridges. Only one direction of traffic can cross at a time, so drivers need to wait their turn. Costa Rica enjoys a tropical climate with the 2 main seasons, the dry season, December to April, and the rain season, May to November. We visit in early October during the rainy season. The coastal areas are warmer, while the higher elevation, like the Central Valley, are cooler. Our first stop was a stunning west coast, Santa Teresa. You'll see cows, horses, colorful birds, bright flowers, and tall trees all around you. We rented a gorgeous house with an incredible view. The Pacific Ocean was just a short distance away. The beach is huge, with lots of green plants and amazing waves. People come here to relax, surf and enjoy the beautiful nature.
I'm at the edge of the world!
After 4 days on the Pacific coast, we headed back to the airport to pick up our friends. Along the way, we met an incredibly talented artist. Three hours after, we arrived at our second destination, the Arenal volcano. Our next house had an unbelievable view from a glass-walled room, with the smoking volcano as a backdrop. The food here is phenomenal. The seafood, fruits, and the vegetables taste incredibly fresh. Every night we had a special visitor, a huge frog. I'm still hoping it wasn't the dangerous kind. Time to relax in the jacuzzi. After all that driving we really needed. Even a hummingbird came by to join us.
Actually, your face, not your booty.
The next day we went rafting. Sadly, we couldn't record it on the video, but we got some amazing photos. Next came the most extreme part of our trip, jungle hiking, rappelling and the zip lining. The scenery felt like a scene from dinosaur movie, with huge trees, butterflies and a high waterfall. It was scary but exciting, especially when we rappelled down the last 60 meters waterfall.
Bye!
After a 4-hour drive, we reached the Caribbean side. Our house had 3 bedrooms, a guest house, a living room with a kitchen, and a beautiful outdoor space with a swimming pool. There were no glass windows, only mosquito screens. We decided to rent a motorbike the next day. However, we lost Ashley for a bit. She was just too fast. We also went snorkeling. Quick tip: take motion sneakless pills before you go. We saw some amazing fish and the coral reefs. After a 7-hour drive, we were back on the Pacific coast for one last day in Costa Rica. We made it to the airport just in time and flew to Miami for a quick 2-day stopover before returning to New York. The total cost of my trip per person for 12 days is $3,482. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, follow my channel and share your experience in the comments. Or let me know where you want to go next. See you in my next trip. Bye.